Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am doing a makeup challenge that says that use all the makeup products that have a black packaging. Let's go into my vanity and pick out those products that have a black packaging.
Please do not mind the mess. Looking in for the primer, I have this Bella Voste primer. This is all black packaging. Going in with the Mars BB cream, or I'm also thinking about the Kiro skin tint foundation. Let's see what I would do. Swiss Beauty makeup fixer, and then Mars illuminating base just to apply on the high points of the cheeks. Bronzer, I can right away see the next packaging. It's all black, so I'm just going in with this. For blush, I initially thought about NARS, and then I was like, let's go with Sugar. Compact powder, I'm going in with NYX. For highlighters, I had PAC as well as Mars as an option, but I chose PAC. For lip liner, I'm going in with the PAC lip liners because these were the only black ones that I have. A lot of options to choose from for eyebrows. Concealers, I will be choosing the Huda Beauty because it has more of a black packaging, as well as the Morphe one just to highlight. There are good options for mascara too, so just thinking which one to pick. For eyeliners, I have these two options. Going in with the Nykaa Kajal, and also I have these three eyeshadow palettes. Thinking which one to do.
So here are all the products that have a black packaging. So let's get into the video. Also, let's snack in between. This is caramel bliss caramel flavored popcorns. The packaging is also black. This is how they look. They look nice. Let's taste. I would say it's okay, not too bad, not too great. I would give a 4 on 10. Starting off with my brows, I'm using the Sugar Eyebrow Arc Arrival Definer. This is in the shade Woody Scooby. This is really good. This comes with a spoolie. As usual, just filling the areas. I'm not going overboard. Just brush once it is done. This Morphe eyebrow setting clear gel has become my favorite of late. I really like the wand. So it is longer at the one end and shorter at the other. So it is easier for you to brush your hair, and the hair stays in place for easily 6 hours plus. For primer, I'm using the Bella Voste mattifying lightweight smoothing primer. I don't know if this is still available, but this is a very good pore filling primer. I will be using this only on the center of my face just to fill in the pores. Taking very little amount of this and applying on the nose and here. That's all. To conceal my face, I'm using the Huda Beauty High Coverage Creamy Concealer in the shade 16G. Using PAC Concealer Brush 236. Blend the concealer. This fits in the under eyes so well, and also I really enjoy the bristle of this as well as the handle. It's all black. Using this concealer very little, only on the areas where it is required. And also to highlight, I will be using the Morphe concealer. This is how it looks like. This is in the shade C 2.25. Applying it just in the center here and little on the bridge of the nose. This brush is really good, especially if you want to spot conceal. I would highly recommend this brush. It doesn't move the concealer but blends it beautifully. You all can see right away. For under eyes, I'll use the PAC Beauty Blender. This is all black again. If you all want to see any other makeup challenges, do let me know in the comments. Using the Mars BB cream all over the face. This has a little thicker consistency, so I will be using very little on my face. I will leave all the shades in the description box, so go check it out. Using the blender again and applying very little. And blend. Using the Mars Glow Beam just on the high points of my face. This is the shade. This is a little dark for me. I will be using it very lightly. Just placing on the high points and blend using the blender. Just to give a subtle highlighting effect. I completely forgot to set my under eyes. For that, I will be just taking off the crease line, if any, and then set it with a loose powder or a compact. Today I'm going in with the compact powder. This is from NYX. I'll be using the concealer brush to apply the product only on the concealed areas. I will just pat the product. Once this is done, I like to go in with my triangle puff. This is from PAC again, and all black packaging. Take very little and then just press it a little extra. Leave it on for a minute and then brush off the excess compact powder. This gives extra coverage and also avoids the crease line. Let's move on to blush. I'm using the Sugar Blush Stick in the shade Mauve Marvel. Taking on the back of my hand, warming the product, and then just taking a beauty blender and placing it on my cheeks. I really like this color. This complements any black outfit that you're wearing. This also looks very good on deeper skin tones. Must say, this blush is quite pigmented and blends so well. Using Morphe brush M403 and NYX matte bronzer, applying on the outer perimeters of the face. Let's set everything in place with the makeup fixer from Swiss Beauty. I still like my highlighters to pop, so before it just settles down, I will be applying the highlighter on the high points of my face. I'm using the PAC Baked highlighter. This is in the shade 02, right on the areas where the light naturally hits the face. For the eyes, I will be keeping it very simple. I'm using This Is All I Need eyeshadow palette from Tan Beauty. These are the colors. They look so pretty and they're quite pigmented. Using Morphe brush. This is M139. This is a tapered blending brush. I will be taking the shade Nude. This is a very light brown shade and just applying it on the crease. If you are a beginner and looking in for a good eyeshadow palette to invest in that has brown, pinks and also a little pop of color, I would highly recommend this product. Next, I'm using the shade called Nectar. This is a peach tone, a warm peach. Applying it on the eyelid and diffusing into the crease. Using my Nykaa Kajal. This is my all-time favorite. It is quite pigmented and stays for really long. I'm just using the Maybelline liner to enhance the top lash line just on the outer part of my eyes. Using my all-time favorite K Beauty mascara. I just love the packaging and it fits so well for today's brief as well. To line my lips, I'm using the PAC lip liner in the shade Natural and filling it inside as well. Using the Plum lipstick in the shade Plush Hour. Just love this color. Here's the completed look. If you all want to see such fun challenges, do let me know in the comments. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification bell for further updates. Bye. Loads and loads of love. See you all in my next video.